much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want to. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right. You should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want to. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you. She left her home to find where she belongs. Mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time, and she knows what to figure out. The scene in a dream, a place where it seems the love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find saw. Miss Independent never worked for me. Now I don't really mind. There's nothing